oh, what do we got there? 3, 10, 12 in a row. We got 6 rows. 43.9. There you go. Actually 44 by the time you don't know anyone who's buying cars right now. Average car price is about $700 a month. Hey guys, this is DJ Wonder Chrissy, and wanted you to check this out. We are at an off-site lot here for Nissan. I thought it was Mazda when I drove by the other day, but it's Nissan. We got Sentras galore, it looks like, and maybe a couple of Rogues. The dealer that sells these close by is a high volume dealer, and I imagine these are maybe imported, so you can't stop the flow very easy of these. There's probably, oh, what do we got there? 3, 10, 12 in a row. We got 6 rows, about 100 cars. At least 100. Let's see what we got here. They've got Sentras going for how much? $26,400. And $1,000 destination. The one next to here had like a $1,000 add-on package. I don't know if that's included in the price. There you are. $995. You get wheel locks, door guards, free car wash, and free loaner car. There you go. Every make, model, and color of Sentra. Here's one here, 22.6. Pretty reasonable cars. Reasonable cars, 33, 34 miles per gallon. Check it out. Here's a nice blue one. How much for the blue one? $24,240. Here's a nice burgundy. A little bit of everything. We got some Rogues over here, it looks like. So dealers aren't selling. Are not selling. It looks like this business here is renting out some space. $51,400 for the Rogue, 23 miles per gallon. And looks like no matter what you do, you're paying $1,000 for add-ons. That's just a standard add-on. The wheel locks, door edge guards, which I've never heard of that. But here's another one. Let's check this one out. This one doesn't have it fell off. 43.9. There you go. Actually 44 by the time you round it up a little bit. So Nissan's stacking them up here at an off-property lot. Here's a Platinum all-wheel drive, 43,760. And I don't know if they have the add-ons on here or not. Don't see that. Don't see the label. Give them time though. There's one over here. He's got it sitting on the dash. Look at that. So as our economy collapse, 42,555. I guess they're mixing them up a little bit. These are made in Tacoma. It says final assembly point Tacoma, and they trucked them here. So I guess they're not bringing them over on the ships. I'm not really up on how all these automakers make their stuff. But look, if you want a Nissan Sentra Rogue, they got a couple here. Got probably about 10 Rogues and 90 Sentras, I believe. I don't think we got any Maximas. Sentra. Yeah, they're all Sentras. So had to stop by, and I know this dealer's a couple miles away. He's got a big lot, but the last couple of years he's been storing off-site. I know another site where he had some, but now they're building on that site. So obviously they moved to here as their off-site. Look at them. So somebody's paying the financing on these. Somebody's got a floor plan that they got to move these. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't know anyone who's buying cars right now. Average car price is about $700 a month. So and if you can stomach that, a lot of banks are not even making loans to people. I'm hearing that too. A lot of people who don't have loans are getting rejected. I mean, if you get a loan at the bank, talking anywhere from 9 to 12%. And used car, definitely you're in the 12% range. So there you go. We're here checking out the off-site lot here, and if you're in the market for a Nissan Sentra, come to Northern Illinois, and we got oodles of them, oodles and oodles. Hey guys, be sure to check out all of our videos about the collapse of our economy. We're covering the housing, covering the auto, covering a little bit of everything, covering inflation and groceries. You name it, we're covering it. And I bet you this guy here is making money hand over fist. Automotive shop, doing repairs on cars. I know people would rather repair their cars than buy a new one, right? A little bit cheaper, keep yours going. Although I know some people that would rather just get a new one because they don't want to deal with getting it repaired, but that's not a financially smart decision, if you ask me, but it's up to you guys how you want to spend your money. We're not giving financial advice here, we're just showing you what's going on in our economy. So like, share, subscribe. DJ Wonder Chrissy, we got Land Cruiser number 3 out today. Could use a wash. Could use a wash. Hasn't been washed in a while. And on the road, folks. DJ Wonder Chrissy. No Susie-q. Susie-q's got a special appointment, so didn't bring her along today. Check out the channel. Check out our videos on the economy. And all the rest of the videos, our shorts, got some good shorts out there too. DJ Wonder Chrissy over and out.